Ataramu a ndawa cia kimerera guuku bururu-ini maya kwiyukiriria thutha wa thirikari kuga ni iracaria njira cia kunyitanira nao niguo kuhinyia utonga munene uria uhithitwo uthondeki-ini wa ndawa ici cia kimerera. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa museum guuku bururu-ini Mzalendo Kibunja, utonga uyu ukoretwo ukiguna mabururi ma nanja, akiuga bururi wa Amerika ni uhotete guthondeka ciringi bilioni 27 ihinda-ini riri kuri na king'uki gia corona. Thirikari riu ni iracaria uria ingiteithiriria ataramu aya niguo kuhota guthondeka na kwendia ndawa ciao na njira iria yagiriire.
We would want to label these products, to clean them up and stock them and sell them to the rest of the world. And that's why, as the National Museums of Kenya, we began this process that has been going on so that we can work with the herbalists around the country and see how we become part and parcel of this international trade that is worth billions of the money.
Ona kuhanura uguo akiuga guoya munene wa ataramu aya ni gugakungirio wara na muthia makaga kugunika na ugi uria mari naguo.
It's a signatory to what we call the Nagoya Protocol. The Nagoya Protocol specifies what benefits are that accrues, how that benefit, whether it's an individual, with that traditional indigenous knowledge. Once it's marketed and how you benefit either as an individual or as a community. It doesn't have to be an individual. And since we are signatory to this convention, I have no reason, there is no reason any herbalist should worry that they wouldn't get it.
Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ikiranira kugitira mititu ithaka cia nyamu na maria maturigiceirie kuona nikuo kihumo kinene kia miti mingi iria fataranagia gukinyaniria mitaratara ya guthondeka ndawa ici cia kimerera.
Na tukipitia kwa ule utaratibu tuko na uwezekano kwamba tutapata baadhi ya madawa haya ambayo yanatumika na madaktari ya kiasili.
Fika level ya pharmaceutical inapitia njia mingi na inahitaji hata kutengeneza vaccine. Ni pesa mingi mno, lakini tunataka tuone tukipata hiyo aina fulani ya dawa inahusika na chakula, ukikula utapona, hiyo tutaanza kula mara moja.
Hadwini Kameme TV, Jutagugina wa Waduru.